It is the Calsonic Skyline GTS-R R31 from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. This is going to be an all new tooling, and we're going to take a look at the kit next. So this is new from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. They're all new tooling. They got two versions of this kit. Obviously the brace version that you see here today, and the straight version, the stock version, which will be along next month, July. So this is going to be for the JTCC series. I think that covers it all. Let's getting started here with the body, and as you can see, it is molded in a lovely shade of blue. The entire kit will be molded in blue. So, and there you can see the missing deck lid. So obviously the front fascia is going to be separate. Obviously those are going to be so Hasegawa can switch out between race parts and street parts. Moving right along now, we'll take a look at the rest of the kits, the rest of the parts for the kit. Yes, this, obviously, as you can see, this will be a curbside kit. And on to the next parts. So look at the brake rotors up there. Onto what will be part of the interior parts tray. See the stripped race interior. Door panels, mirrors, and some wipers down there. The next parts tray contains the body parts, which are all, this is going to be one of the pieces of tooling that it's swapped out between the street version and the race version. So we'll start there with the trunk. There's the deck lid. It holds for whatever. I think vents or filler tubes, not 100% sure. The front fascia, your rear tail panel, and spoiler ground effects. There. And we have a couple more of the race specific parts trees. And the racing seat and the racing mirrors. First will be everything, all the headlight buckets, mirror faces, and hood pin latches, I believe. Mirror, rearview mirror, and up there, and the wheels. The middle there needs to be painted with gold. I'm pretty sure you can tell this is going to be the clear parts tree. And the tires. There's going to have, you can have two tire sizes. Rears right here. And it's going to be for the front. And moving right along to wrap this one up, the decal sheet. There you can see you got all the decals you need to build the Calsonic R31. Looks like a very nicely done decal sheet for kit printed. And finally, window masking. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but down there and up there, it's See those half circle masking pieces? Those are going to be for the wheels. You put those in, insert those, they go around the middle part of the wheel so you can mask off the outer side of the wheel, paint the inner insert gold. At least they thought of that. Nicely done, Hasegawa. Nice little touch there. So there you have it. That is the Calsonic Skyline GTS-R R31 from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. On that note, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.